Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Esther giving you another episode on how to or do it yourself stuff. Today guys, to create juice that can reduce uric acid. So these are the ingredients of the juice guys. So we have the cucumber, we have carrots, lemon, apple, I have pineapple, then I have a little of garlic and ginger. So I'm going to slice it all guys and put it in a juicer, then that will be my juice. So stay tuned guys. So this is very important to me because when we had the executive checkup, two of my sons had high uric acid level. So I searched the internet and I found out that these ingredients, these fruits and vegetables have a high nutrients value that can help lower uric acid. First, what we are going to do first guys is to wash the vegetables and fruits with running water. Wash it thoroughly. So like this one. Wash the carrots. So use peeler guys to remove the skin of fruits and vegetables. So I will start with cucumber. So when I bought these fruits guys, I selected the fresh fruits talaga. So select the fresh fruits when you are going to use it in juicing. I'm using this one guys. So I have tried it before because I have tried this kind of juice before. So my problem before is also fatty liver, high uric acid because I gained so much pounds before. So when I check it, I found out that I have fatty liver. So what I did, I researched and I found this juice. So actually the title of the title there in the internet is colon cleansing or detoxifying. So how to detox, or how to cleanse your colon naturally. So not only I have a fatty liver before, I also have so many gallstones. So I don't want to have it removed to operation. So I found this site in the internet where it's talking how to remove gallstones naturally. So that's why they use this one, apple, lemon, cucumber, and carrots. So what is lacking in here guys is the sweetener, which is honey. But since I have also pineapple, so this will give sweetness in the juice. So it's okay without honey. I just followed what was in the internet, and it worked. It worked. When I have another test, I found out that my liver is not fatty anymore, and that's a big relief to me. So I need not take medicines, because even though we went to a different doctor, they have already prescribed medicines. The doctor already prescribed medicines. So I will try this one for my son and have him check first before having another, but before taking medicines, because the medicines will be taken for 3 months. Now squeeze the lemon. Oh, so hot. Wait lang, konti na lang ha. What do you want? Ha? What do you want, boy? We will drink juice later, ha? So I have here now the carrots and the cucumber. Almost done. Tagal. Dito na pala ang ano. Nasali ang ano. Skin of garlic. Last one. Now we are going to remove the juice. This is now the juice, guys. If you can see, there is for carrots, and the light yellow is for cucumber and pineapple and other ingredients in there. But I will still mix it with lemon. So I will stir it and mix it with lemon. Okay, this is the juice, guys, and this one is the pop. So I still need to squeeze it using this strainer. There are still juice left in here. I still need to squeeze it with the strainer. And anyway, I have so many juice in here. So I will simply add the lemon. This is the lemon. I will simply add it in there. And afterwards, stir it with spoon. And let me taste. Wow, it's so sweet. Sarap. Super sarap. So I will divide it into two. Here. This is for my boy. And the small one is for me. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like my video. You must try it, guys. This is a very healthy juice. So try it and see for yourself how you wait before you before you take this juice, and after you take the juice several times, you take your you weigh and check your weight, because it is also good for reducing and for detox and also for high uric acid. So I'm going to drink this one, and my son also will drink his share, and I will let him have another check-up and complete blood count, and several tests will be made to check also the uric acid, if it is decreasing or not. So thank you for tuning in, guys. Thank you for staying until this end. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe by clicking the subscribe button, click share, and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated in my upcoming videos. I still have so many videos for juicing, guys. I will share it to you. The purpose really is for reducing the uric acid. So thank you for tuning in. Till next video. Bye bye. God bless.